A father and son, both charged with lying to police about the disappearance of a mother from Wyoming, remain the only people the police are talking to about this case. And today that dad faced a judge. Barton Dieters was inside the Wyoming courtroom to get an update on this case. What's the latest tonight, Barton?
Well, Brian, there was no plea offer from the prosecution for 62-year-old Lyle Hudson, whose perjury case now moves on to circuit court, where he could face as much as life in prison when and if this case goes from a missing person investigation to a murder prosecution. While there was no testimony today, Hudson waived a hearing which will allow his attorney Damian Nunzio to negotiate toward a plea deal that would likely include the father's cooperation in the investigation against his son, Andrew Hudson. While there was no offer from the prosecution for the perjury case, which now moves on to circuit court, he will have to seek a deal with the prosecution that is unlikely to come here before the case moves on to trial. The family of Ana Carrillo has been a strong presence in every hearing, and today called out to Hudson as he left the courtroom.
Tell us where she's at.
Now, Andrew Hudson, 38, is the father of Anna's 3 children, who police say they have substantial evidence linking him to her disappearance. Police are now treating that investigation as a homicide investigation. Hudson remains in jail on a $200,000 bond, also charged with perjury and providing false information to police, including asking his mother to lie about where he was. The family had a long conversation with Konski today following the hearing and left saying they were told not to discuss the case. Now, while there's been no homicide-related charges issued yet, police tell us they have committed significant resources to building a case. Prosecutors remain convinced that this case will be resolved. In studio control, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.